Hi, this is LeeAnne and welcome to my channel. Come and join me for this another adventure. And now, if you want to know what are the things that you should not do in Thailand, please keep on watching. Okay, so as you know, I am here in Thailand and these are the things that I know that we should not do here. The first is we should not step on their bills. You know, their money, their paper money, their money, we should not step on it. Like this one, why we should not step? Because this money, this one is 100 baht. This money has the picture of the king, and it's because they respect their king so much. That's why the king is in here. I'm gonna focus that. The king is in the money, the picture of the king is in the money, so that's why it is not allowed for us to step on the money, on the bills. Okay, so that's how they respect their king so much. Okay, so the number two that we should not do here in Thailand is saying bad things about the monarchy, about the royal family. They respect and they pray the family, the royal family here in Thailand, and saying bad things, posting bad things or pictures, anything that talks about the family, the royal family here in Thailand will be jailed. It is very serious, my friends. So do not ever say anything bad against them. And now we have here the third thing that you should not do. So when you're talking to older than you, if you are talking to someone who is older than you, you should lower down a bit, or you have to kneel while talking to them. Well, you should not be as level to them or something like that, because that's how respectful they are. Easy, now in our place we can just talk to our colleagues, our boss, like standing. But when you talk, for example, when you talk to your boss, for example, my students, if they want to talk to me and say or ask something, they will kneel down and then they are going to talk. They're not gonna stand. If I'm sitting down and they want to talk to me, they will kneel so that they will be lower than me, and then they will talk to me. You should not touch the head. You should not, do not touch the head of the person. I don't know why, but it is just a taboo here that you should not touch the head of a person, especially those who are older than you too. And if you're asking me why, I still don't know. They just told me we're not allowed. Okay, but we can do research about that and I will tell you more about it, because there's so many things that we should not do. Okay, let me just finish this very quickly. And you know that Thailand is a Buddhist country and they have this image which is called Buddha. Now that Buddha is very solemn, it's very special to them, and that's why they encourage, or they told us that we should not play with that. And it's their God, and so that's why they want us to respect that. They want us, it is just the same with, saying blaspheme something about our God. So to them, Buddha is very precious to them. It is their God. So do not play with that, and do not display that as your do not display that in your house as just an ornament or something, because it is their, it is sacred to them. It is sacred to them. So that's why we should respect that as well. In our place, we usually point our feet or touch our feet or step, like, you know, we are not allowed to point with our feet. We are not allowed to point. Now here in Thailand, we are not allowed to point with our feet, okay, or touch anything with our feet. It is very disrespectful, and it is, I think it is also right, because if we touch something or like oh here okay, usually in our place we do, okay, here is your place, here is your thing, we just step on her, here is your thing, and pointing it using our feet. It's not good to use our feet to touch something. In Thailand, it's a no, and you should not do that. Okay, the next one here is we have to, now we have, in Thailand they have here, you know, this, I will just show you the picture, this one, this picture here, and that one, you should not play with that, because that one serves as their protector. They pray, they put something and they pray to that, and they offer something for the spirit to protect their house, to protect their businesses, and to protect anything, to protect the school. So that's why for them it is very important, and that's why we as tourists must not play on that, and must not laugh on that or anything that is disrespectful against this. I don't know what's the name of this, but I know I asked my students and they know it in Thai, but I don't know how to say it in English. And so that's it. And also, when you come to Thailand, you notice when you come to the park, like in this park, I've been here for almost 6 years now, and I always come to the park like this one. If I have no class, I come to the park and shoot or do something, some thinking. And I saw also some couples dating here, but I didn't see anyone that shows PDA here in the park. It is not also advisable, even if you are a tourist, to show some PDAs here, because for them it is very nasty. It is very nasty, and that's why none of them did it in public. So you should not do it as well. Okay, now my friends, these are the only few things that I want to tell you, I want to share you. These are the only things, these are the only few things that I want to share you, that I want to share to you. I mean, I want to share to you that hopefully will be useful when you travel to Thailand, when you come to Thailand. And I want to see you more, I want to see you often, so please come again for my next one.